PM in RS deals with EU-US good sign for world stability. Why couldn't Congress government ink such pacts? PM Modi celebrated Thursday the signing of the trade deal with the EU and the US, saying the pact augurs well for world stability and peace. Stability and pace of progress, and were evidence of the international community regarding India as trusted trading partners. When the trade deal with the EU took place, the world became more confident of stability. After the deal with the US, the world has more confidence in not just stability but also pace of progress. It is a good sign of the world. The biggest beneficiary from the deal will be the youth of the country, he said. Modi remarks in Rajya Sabha during the debate on the motion of thanks on the President address came even as the treaty with the US is yet to be formally signed, it being seen as an indication that the two sides may have resolve their differences. Their formal announcement of the deal is likely next week. Modi, whose addresses in LS Wednesday was called off due to the protest of Congress MPs, slammed the party for failing to secular similar trade pacts during the tenure and said it will have to one day respond to what it had done to India that other countries weren't willing to do trade deals. Police can't address an accused simply to ask question. Supreme Court. It should be done only if custody is needed for probe. New Delhi. Nothing that an arrest cannot be made simply because it is lawful for the police officer to do so. Supreme Court held on Thursday that an investigating agency should not take an accused into custody for asking question, and the same should be done only when it is necessary for the probe. Enumerating various sections of the newly enacted Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023, a bench of Justice M.M. Suresh and N.K. Singh said a notice under Section 35(3) of the law to an accused or any individual concerned qua offence punishable with imprisonment of up to 7 years is a rule. The court of arrest under Section 35(6) read with Section 35(1)(b) of the BNSS of 2023 must be interpreted as a strict objective necessity and not a subjective convenience for the police officer. It does not mean the police officer can arrest to simply ask question. However, it means that the police officer must satisfy himself that the investigation qua an offence punishable under imprisonment up to 7 years cannot proceed effectively without taking the concerned individual into custody. Any interpretation to the contrary would clearly frustrate the purpose of the legislative intent of Section 35(1)(b) and Section 35(3) to 35(6) of the BNSS, the bench said. काफ़ी समय से जो हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हैं, वो डील साइन, जो ये न्यूज़ आई है डील विद EU एंड US बिकॉज साइन द वर्ल्ड स्टेबिलिटी, इसमें लगे हुए थे और एक डील साइन की गई है काफ़ी समय से यूएस की तरफ से टैरिफ्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज़ के ऊपर लगाए जा रहे थे, लेकिन जो हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इस चीज़ को हैंडल किया है और हमें गर्व होता है कि देश को झुकने नहीं दिया। और हमें न्यूज़ सुन के और इस तरह की जब न्यूज़ हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है।